My name is Jag Reddy, and it is an honor to be the President and CEO of MEC. I joined the company in July 2022. I chose MEC because of the opportunity to work with a strong team and to lead the #1 fabricator in the nation, an honor we have held for over a decade. We have a rich 80-year history, and I am excited to be driving growth accelerated by the manufacturing industry transformation through onshoring, reshoring, and energy transition trends. MEC Business Excellence, or the MBX program, is the catalyst by which we are building disciplined processes for profitable growth. Our values are the foundation of our company and shape how we do business and treat one another. Integrity, respect, and teamwork, combined with our commitment to agility, customer focus, and collaboration, drives our high-performance culture. We believe in empowering our team to create premium products and solutions for our customers, enabling growth for our employees, shareholders, and the communities we serve. We strive to make MEC easy to do business with, be employed by, and to invest in, while giving back to the organizations that allow our local communities to thrive. Thank you for your interest in MEC.